tiny chefs making pizza fun. Flour in the air and giggles one by one. Honey. Tiny chefs in white so neat, they giggle, dance, and stamp their feet. Flour flies up, oh what a show, looks like snow. Ho, ho, ho. They roll the dough, soft and round. One chef falls, but safe and sound. They stretch it wide with all their might. Oh dear, it's flying out of sight. Tomato splash, oh what a mess. Now cheese is everywhere, I guess. Pepperoni dots in perfect rows. One sneezes, achoo, and off it goes. Into the oven, hot and bright. They wait and watch with wide delight. Tick-tock, tick, the smell so sweet. They jump and clap, it's time to eat. They slice it up and take a bite. Cheesy strings, oh what a sight. They share and cheer, their work is done. Our tiny chef's job number one. They wave goodbye with flory hands. Their pizza love forever stands. Made with love, they proudly say. Tiny chefs, hip hip hooray, Nick.
They wave goodbye with flurry hands prompt. Same baby chefs waving at camera, flour dust floating around softly. Their pizza love forever stands. Cute pizza slice with heart shape inside a glowing background. Made with love, they proudly say. Baby chefs holding a pizza box labeled Made with love by tiny chefs.